Here. What?
I don't like this.
Don't open your eyes. Because there's a Christmas tree in here.
I just got a shadow.
Don't. Because there's a Christmas tree in here, and it's a Christmas present.
Okay.
Okay.
I love it.
Alright, do you want to put your drink down? Are you looking?
No. I just didn't want to see any shadows. That's what makes me jealous.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, now. Now, it might bite.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
Can I move my hand?
You can open
You're not serious right now.
it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you okay? Just don't pass out. I love you, and I want to be with you all the time. And if I want to be with you all the time, I want to be with you all the time. So, will you marry me? What?
God, it on me. You talked to my dad?
Yeah.
When?
That's Sunday.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, I love you so much. You really talked to my dad?
Yeah.
When?
Well,
Oh my God.
does it fit?
Yes!
Last Sunday.
What do you mean last Sunday?
Last Sunday,
You called him?
when I went shopping.
With your mom?
Yeah.
You really went to my dad?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And then you can look too.
Oh my god! I'm so glad you did. Oh my god, I'm so glad you did.